Hi, and welcome to Elementary Music with Donna. I am Donna Rhodenizer. I have a singing game for you today. It's called Owl in the Pine Tree. This song is for students in kindergarten and grade 1, and the focus really is on presenting a song with lots of so, mi, and la sounds for these young singers, and an opportunity for one chosen singer to sing all by themselves so you can hear their process they can hear their process as they are learning to match pitch and sing a tune. Owl in the Pine Tree, like all singing games, I would sing unaccompanied without any assistance from the piano. You want the students to be able to hear their voices, your voice, and the voices of the other singers around them as they are learning to match pitch. And so you don't want to obscure that with piano or any other instrument. And so you will play these singing games unaccompanied. However, I do go over and plunk a note on the piano and make sure that I have set my singing games in the middle range between middle C and the next C, octave C, because that is in the children's head voice, and I want to teach them to find that head voice. They will want to sing and sing more comfortably in a lower chest voice range sometimes, although there are young singers who will have very high voices. However, I am working on teaching them to find their head voice so they become equally as comfortable singing in their head voice as they are in their chest voice. So I will set Owl in the Pine Tree with so on a G, la on an A, and mi on an E. Here is Owl in the Pine Tree. Owl in the pine tree, hoo, hoo, why are you hiding, hoo, hoo, please help me find you, hoo, hoo, where are you, hoo, hoo. It's a very simple structure. When I would start this song with the students, I would have all of the class sing the who's in the interior part of the song and just have one student chosen to sing the final hoo, hoo, as an individual response. This gives them 3 chances to hear what I actually want them to sing. It's modeled for them, and so they will hear that 3 times before they are going to sing it on their own. And as they become more comfortable with the song, then you can actually have the individual solo singer or mystery singer sing all 4 of those hoo responses and give your guesser more chance to hear the person that they're guessing, and it gives you a better opportunity to hear that student sing and to do an assessment over 4 different attempts, because just one crack at the hoo might mean they just didn't get to that spot in time, and with 4 opportunities you may hear that change as they sing the first one a little bit maybe off, and then they adjust, and then they adjust. And you'll hear that progress with those individual responses, which is exciting to hear when you've got young singers that are in that stage of learning to hear and establish the difference between what they're singing and what they're hearing, and learning how to sing in tune with others. One of the great things about singing games is that because you have somebody having a turn to do something, the students will want to sing the song multiple times, which suits my purposes because I want to give them that oral reference over and over and internalize that for them. And I also want to give lots of students turns, and it gives me a chance to do some assessment. So those are all ulterior motives to including a singing game of this sort in your music classroom. Owl in the Pine Tree can also be used as a creative exercise with your students. You can ask them if they would like to change the questions that they're asking in the song. So give them free rein, and sometimes it doesn't make a lot of sense. Do you like peanut butter? Who? Would you like to see me? Who? Or whatever they want. It doesn't have to rhyme. It's just a chance for them to give some input and a chance to talk about when you are a composer. You are making decisions as to what you want to sing about, and you choose the lyrics that fit in a song. It's all part of the manipulating what you know, which is what composing is in a nutshell. So, Owl in a Pine Tree, really designed for individual singing, matching pitch, and establishing that tone set so mi la. also can be used for composing and creating and assessing for you as the music teacher, vocal studio teacher, homeschool teacher, wherever you are working on musical skills with your students. Owl in the Pine Tree is part of a song collection of new singing games I created for my music classroom. This is from volume 1 for kindergarten and grade 1 students ages 5 to 7. There are also 2 other volumes of singing games that I've created, and all 3 volumes of new singing games for young singers by Donna Rhodenizer are available at donnaandandy.com. Wherever you are doing singing games with your students in elementary music classrooms, vocal studios, or homeschool settings, I hope you have a great day making music and make music a great part of your day.